Alright, welcome back to today's update. There's probably a couple things you notice that are a little different right now. For starters, the layout I have going on around here is a little different. I'm getting my recording area set up. And also, I actually do have hair. I'm not wearing my doctor's hat today. Oh, and one more thing. I got the entire back piece printed out. Well, aside from the little flaps that are supposed to cover the components sort of thing, which I will get done very soon. Unfortunately, as of today, I do not have anything printing. I'm taking the day off because I actually did run out of filament finally. But I have even more good news. So as I mentioned, I did pretty much run out of filament. I got a couple little other parts printed in there that I will showcase probably tomorrow or within the next couple days. However, I also finally fixed my other printer. I had to take it off the stools because I had to move them around for some other things I'm going to be using them for. But I finally got my other printer fixed. So once I get my new filament spools in tomorrow, I can not only start printing again back on the Bamboo Lab, but I can also start printing back on the longer 5K. So today's just another mini update, little update as to what's going on now, what else I've gotten done, but within the next couple days, there should be a lot more, so stay tuned.